Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Pixverse. In order to do so, first off you want to go to Pixverse.ai and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, you should be met with a screen similar to this. And what you're looking for is either at the top right hand corner here where you see basic and the number of credits you have, or you can go to the account icon here and you'll see the option that says subscribe. If we click on that, then that will bring us to the subscription page. And here you can see the different options that you have related to subscriptions. And right now you can see that we are on the basic plan. It says your current plan. Basically, in order to cancel your subscription, if you subscribe to any of these other tiers, then what you will see is that you will have the option to subscribe again to the free plan. So if you are on the standard, pro, or premium and you want to go back to the free plan, just click on subscribe as it shows up there and you will have canceled your subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.